Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add mosaic in effect on Premiere Pro. So for that, we just need to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And then here you can see the original video clip with no effects and settings. And for this video clip, I'm just going to add the effect. So for that, we just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top, here is the second last option. You can see here window, click on that. And then here's an option, you can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click shift+7, the effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here, click on that and search for mosaic in. And then here you can see the effect mosaic in, drag that effect to video clip, and then you play your video. You can see that you had been added mosaic in effect to video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.